Father, we are here at this day to give thanks to the love you've shared with these two individuals. We ask that you help to always remember when they first met, and remember the strong love between them. To work that love into practical things so that nothing divides them, please help them find words both kind and loving, always ready to ask for forgiveness, as well as able to forgive. Father, we put this marriage in your hands. In your name we pray, amen.
Love is patient, love is kind. It does not envy, it does not boast. It is not proud, it is not rude. It is not self-seeking, and it is not easily angered. It keeps no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth.
You say you'll be down in 5. The smell of your perfume is floating down the stairs. You're fixing up your hair like you do. I know that I'll be a mess the second that I see you. You won't be surprised, it happens every time, it's nothing new. It's always on a night like tonight. I thank God you can read my mind, 'cause when you look at me with those eyes, I'm speechless, staring at you standing there in that dress. What it's doing to me ain't a secret, 'cause watching you is all that I can do. And I'm speechless. You already know that you're my weakness. After all this time I'm just as nervous every time you walk into the room. I'm speechless.
To you, Josh, stand in the presence of God and these witnesses. Solemnly pledge your faith to Kerstin. Do you promise to live with her according to God's ordinance in the holy state of matrimony? Do you promise to love her, comfort her, honor, and keep her in sickness and in health? And forsaking all others, keep yourself only in settle. And through God's grace, the promise to be to her a faithful and devoted husband as long as you both show up.
I do.
You, Kerstin, stand in the presence of God and these witnesses. Solemnly pledge your faith to Josh. You promise to live with him according to God's ordinance in the holy state of matrimony. You promise to love him, comfort him, honor, and keep him in sickness and in health. Forsaking all others, keep yourself only unto him. And through God's grace, to promise to be to him faithful and devoted wife as long as you shall live.
I do.
In the Christian beliefs, we use wedding rings to symbolize our marriage. A circle has no beginning or end, and therefore the symbol of infinity. It is endless, eternal, just the way love should be. For many, the wedding ring is worn on the fourth finger of the left hand. This is because the vein in this finger was believed to lead directly to the heart. With this ring, I do wed.
With this ring, I thee wed.
With this ring, I do wed.
With this ring, I thee wed.
And so much, these two, the two of you have conceived together in holy wedlock and have witnessed the same before God and His Son. By the authority vested in me, in the state of Georgia, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.
I'm proud to introduce Mr. and Mrs. Jackson.
From hello, what's your name? To oh no, I'll never be the same. Oh, you've been changing me from trying so hard not to play the fool. To do you know that you're beautiful? Oh, time, but little by little, yeah, we'll get it right. Oh, I never thought I could get the chance to be here with you. Two crazy fools, two left feet, step by step, heartbeat by beat. Life's a song, love's a dance, so come and take my hand. When life is hard, when hope is real, when what was broken starts to heal. Oh, you've been changing me from flying high to breaking falls. Learning money don't mean that you have it all. You've been changing me. Just take some time, but little by little, yeah, we'll get it right. Oh, I never thought I